When it's time for a water heater replacement in Las Vegas, Nevada, Kingdom Plumbing is your trusted solution. Our expert technicians specialize in efficient and reliable water heater installations, ensuring your home stays comfortable and functional. From assessing your needs to selecting the right water heater and completing the installation, we handle every step with professionalism and expertise. With transparent communication and prompt service, we guarantee a smooth and hassle-free replacement process. At Kingdom Plumbing, we prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to deliver exceptional results on every project. Trust us for your water heater replacement needs in Las Vegas, Nevada. Contact us today at Kingdom Plumbing to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a water heater replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. Where can I find reliable water heater replacement services in Las Vegas, Nevada? Kingdom Plumbing in Las Vegas, Nevada, is a trusted provider of water heater replacement services, known for its expertise, reliability, and quality workmanship. What sets Kingdom Plumbing apart as a top choice for water heater replacement in Las Vegas, Nevada? Kingdom Plumbing stands out for its professional team, commitment to customer satisfaction, and expertise in providing efficient and reliable water heater replacement services in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your water heater replacement for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local water heater replacement have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Kingdom Plumbing office located? We are located at 8311 Farm Road Suite B, Las Vegas, Nevada 89131. Our phone number is 702-710-9564. Visit our website, https://kingdomplumbing.com/.